All right, so it looks like it's about that time. We gotta tear this thing all apart so we can make sure we get sound welds around every tube, and to probably paint this thing up a little bit just to get us in the general direction we're going. So, I guess there's no point in continuing to talk. Let's just start tearing this thing apart. after that wonderful task of tearing everything apart, I got to start the long, arduous process of welding each and every last one of these tubes back where it should be on the bottom side. So this, of course, was a long task. It took probably close to about 5 hours to get it to where it is right now. And it doesn't look any different. So, honestly, I think we're in a pretty decent spot. There's gonna be, I already see something that I need to touch up. But I've got a couple spots here, and then there's a big gap on these top pipes that kind of don't really serve structural purpose. So I'm not too worried about them, but I will get some piece of straight flat stock and kind of weld in there, gusset them together, and they'll be pretty much perfect. The other thing that I need to do is I need to run that strap over for the, whatchamacallit, for the control arm. Because we got this plate up here, but we need to run a strap over there to capture that thing, just in case something goes haywire and we regret everything. So, got a piece of wire from the wire feed that's annoying me. There it goes. Guess, touch up this little spot there. I'll go hunting for some steel. Then, I probably got to flip it all the way back over to do another once over on the top side. Make sure I hit everything. Fun. All right, so it looks like I got everything welded up, I think. Kind of-ish. So that's great on one aspect. There'll be a couple of things I gotta hit with the grinder a little bit, but you know, that's not too bad. Everything's strapped down, strapped together, so I'm happy with that. I guess time to move on to more welding. It's been like 8 hours already. So I guess I'm gonna grab the suspension arms and head over to the table and get those finished welded up. And then maybe we can tackle a little bit of paint here sometime in the future. But anyways, I gotta get started on those things so I can turn the welders off and call it done. So now that we got those suspension arms welded up, I threw a couple brackets in to help support the fuel tank, and I think we should be pretty much in the clear. So for the most part, I'm going to have to go through and hit this with all the big wire brush just to kind of clean up some of the little splatter and spatter and such, so then we can tackle painting this stuff on the next video. So, anyways, we're gonna leave it off here. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Hopefully, we'll see you again later.